morning, sir. My name is Bena Chensa, and I'm 18 years old. I am currently studying at Lipa City Public College in Lipa City, Batangas, taking up the course of Ladder Education Program for BSCS, accredited by TESDA. I have heard from Ms. Ronaldine Banaag, who's working in your company, that you are in need of a data encoder. Please consider me an applicant for the position. I can type 50 words per minute. I am hardworking and honest. I am patient and willing to be trained very well. I have the knowledge in making Microsoft PowerPoint, Word, and Excel. I have also the knowledge in using Internet. I can be the asset of your company. You can see in my resume the details and more information about me. Thank you.